sign out of Remitly application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out from Remitly application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open the application where you are logged in. Here, if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now, in order to sign out, you will need to first locate Manage option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you find this icon, simply tap on it and then you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to scroll down until the very bottom. You will be able to locate sign out option. Simply tap on this option and then you will be signed out from your account. Now if you would like to sign in back to your account in the future, you will need to simply tap on this sign in and then use your password. If you want to remove your account from your device entirely, then you will need to go to the settings of your device first. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you will need to scroll down to find applications option. Once you locate the apps option or the application option, simply tap on it to open it and inside you will be able to see the list of applications. Now from here find Remitly application. Once you locate Remitly application, you will need to simply tap on it and inside it, you will be able to see this option. Here scroll a bit down and find storage option. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then in this page, you will be able to locate clear cache and clear data option at the bottom. Simply tap on clear cache in order to remove cache and then tap on clear data in order to remove all the data. Simply tap on delete in order to do so. After doing this, you will be signed out from your account. So this is how you can sign out from your Remitly application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.